Good morning, guys. We are near Xochimilco, but back in Mexico City, and we are now taking a little train that will take us to Xochimilco. But first, we're gonna get some food at the food market. Yeah. Woo! Yum. After the market, we had booked a boat tour on a trajinera to visit the floating gardens of Xochimilco. Here's the thing. As we arrived at the docking station, a lady asked me for my name, so I ignored her. Then her boss tried to talk to me and reassured me that she was the boss of the company. I had booked my tour with a company where the guy precisely told me that he would be there, dressed in a specific way, and not to believe anyone who said they were part of the company or that they were family who wasn't him, because there are a lot of people trying to rip tourist stuff. I insisted on seeing the guy who messaged me, and it's not until I saw that they had both of our names on a list, the original guy called me, and they proved they were legit, that I was happy to get on the boat. So just be careful, you guys. Get of us.
Okay. Did he ring you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sí, serían 2 horas de paseo. Sí, adelante, por favor. No, claro que sí, muchas gracias. No, y está bien porque luego lo llevan por otro lado. Digo, él mismo me dijo que la gente me va a preguntar. Sí, claro, adelante. En la N está al revés.
We're about to go off on our trajinera. It's just us on the boat, and yeah, about to go on. Exciting! Xochimilco is a district of Mexico City that is known for its canals and chinampas, a farming system developed by the Aztecs to cultivate crops using the region's lake. The floating gardens of Xochimilco have been deemed a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of these unique agricultural techniques that are still used today. You can visit these canals by taking a boat tour on a trajinera. There are plenty of vendors on their own boats selling drinks, food, mariachi bands, and souvenirs. Today is quite quiet actually because it's raining and a bit grey, but we're gonna be asked probably if we want to buy something. People must think we're quite stingy because well, we're on a budget, so we can't be paying everything we see. But yeah, a lot of other little boats come with food or drinks, and they ask, and mariachi bands on boats. It's quite fun. But we keep declining them. We just want to enjoy our boat ride. And we had chilaquiles that filled us up a lot. And it's 10 a.m. in the morning, so maybe a margarita might not go down as good for me. Enjoying it?
Yeah, it's good. It's fun.
A few moments later.
We were just saying that if you have a group of friends or you're a bigger group and you come on one of these boats, it would be kind of fun actually, because, well, first of all, you pay for the boat, not per person, and then you could totally have a little party, get some food, get some drinks. So highly recommend. But right now we're just sightseeing. Yes.
Yeah.
So we've got quite a bit to update you guys on. We wanted to go from where we took our boat ride to the actual garden, and we took the bus going the opposite way, so we had to walk back, take another means of transport. We finally figured it out. The bus was really fun and entertaining to watch. People like getting off and on, not at stops, just like in the middle of traffic at random spots while the bus was moving. It was awesome. But now we've made it and we're trying to look for the entrance. So yeah, cool. Hopefully we can find the bicycle soon so we can cycle through, and it hasn't rained, so that's really good. What is it?
I need to pee.
Found the entrance of the gardens, and now we're first looking for toilets and then rent a bicycle,
Yeah.
which I have no idea where it is anymore, but I'll find it on Google. And also find some food. Yeah.
Your tire's flat.
It is?
That's a little flat.
Completely flat.
The back one. Get off. Oh my god. Did you get the old bike? Yes. We're turning around.
Okay.
That's way too flat, Ben.
Okay, that's better. That's much better even. It feels better. Thank you for noticing. Quick tour of our 40 pesos bicycles. We could have gone for 30, but this time we decided to be a bit more luxurious, you know. That one has a water bottle holder, whereas on this side, this one has a basket. How perfect. All right, let's go ride.
Look, that's the lake. It's good. Okay, so we swapped bikes, and my one was so much better than Daisy's. This one's garbage.
So that's why I was going so slow, and he was going right fast.
But yeah, that bike's way better, eh?
Yeah.
Not good.
Quickly.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna pee down. And we're gonna try to find some food and catch the bus back home. That was a really fun day, eh?
Yeah, it's been great.
Enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been really nice. Cool area, quite a lot to do. Real fun.